Welcome back, fellow food geeks. It's good to have you back. I hope you're all doing well and are happy wherever you are. Well, today we are making vermicelli upma. This is a savory kind of vermicelli or vermicelli, whatever you might call it. I'm using Bambino here. You can use the roasted kind too. And I've taken 3 cups of it. It's a lovely recipe. This is for 3 people and it's a breakfast dish, and this is the cup measurement, the standard measuring cup that I'm using. Also, there are some other ingredients. Trust you me, sweet is good. This is even better if you ask me. Depends on your taste though. So here I have a few ingredients. I've taken around 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a handful of curry leaves, 2 carrots chopped, some green chilies, some coriander or cilantro, 2 limes, juice of 2 limes, a cup of peas, and 2 large onions chopped coarsely. So now here I've kept some water for boiling, and when it starts boiling I'm going to add the vermicelli to it. We are going to cook it exactly like the instructions on the pack, and it's approximately takes around 3 or 4 minutes. And meanwhile have some chilled water ready, because strain it and add it to chilled water immediately. I also want to show you outside. It's bright and early in the morning, and here we have a little squirrel who comes for food every day, and she's having her breakfast, and we are going to have ours in a little while as soon as this is done. So I've heated up around 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. I'll wait for it to smoke, and then I'll add the mustard seeds to sputter, and along with that I'm going to add the curry leaves too, and everything else later. So I'll add the curry leaves, give it a mix, and then add the rest of the ingredients. Now you could add any oil of your choice, use any oil of your choice, it's up to you. I like the taste of mustard oil. I'm adding the green chilies here, which are optional, and the onions. I've used red onions, you could use any kind. You could even use red dried chilies if you want. That also gives a nice taste. I like the fresher taste of green chilies though in this. So I'm going to give it a mix. And next I'm going to add all the vegetables that I want. So you could add green beans, or if you want like leafy greens, you could add those also, spinach or anything of your choice really. Add whatever you feel like. I'm adding carrot first because it takes longer to cook. If I had cut some beans, I would have added those too right now, because they would also take some time. But as I'm not adding beans, only I have frozen peas, and they really cook in a jiffy, so I'm not adding them with the carrots. I'll let them soften a bit, maybe for a minute or 2, and then I'm going to add my peas. Now I've added my peas. Don't worry, they're clean. Give it a good mix. Now you could add some other masalas if you prefer. Any other spice mix that you like, you could add here. I'm just adding salt. I like it plain and simple because the curry leaves and the mustard gives it a very nice flavor. So some people also like to add some grated coconut. So if you want to add grated coconut, now is the time to do that. You add that. So I'm going to add the chilled. Can you see the chilled vermicelli? It's in chilled water, so it's quite cold now, and it's not going to stick. So I'm going to drain it and immediately add it to this. Now start boiling the vermicelli when you have all your vegetables cut, your mise en place is done, the prep is done. Only then start boiling it, because immediately as soon as they are boiled and you put them in chilled water, it's good to make it immediately. It helps in it being non-sticky. It's just a tip. We give it a good mix, adjust the salt, and this is ready. I'm just adding some cilantro, coriander to it, and I'm going to put it in a dish and add some lime juice first. And after that I'm going to put it in a dish and add some roasted or fried peanuts, entirely up to you, any kind of nut of your preference. Lime juice is optional, but trust me, it gives a very nice taste. If you don't have limes, you could add lemons, not vinegar though. So this is ready now, and I'm going to put it in a plate, add some peanuts to it, or walnuts or pistachios or almonds, whatever you prefer. I like roasted peanuts, or fried ones are even better if you ask me. And this is done. And now I'm going to show you nighttime, which is almost more than 12 hours later. It's 11 o'clock at night. I'm in my bed ready to sleep, and this is my midnight snack, almost midnight snack, and I want to show you that it still is not sticking. All the strands are separate and silkily coated with all the mixture, and you can actually just pick up one and eat. So they're separate till now, and this I've just got from the fridge and I've not even heated it. So just follow the tip of boiling it separately and then straining it and adding it to chilled water, adding some chilled water to it, and taking it out only when you plan to put it in the vegetable mix. So I hope you like this recipe. Do give me a like if you did, share and subscribe, and press the notification bell, because you need to come back for more recipes and you'll be notified when they come out. And you have to come back because there is a whole lot of goodness and deliciousness where this came from. Bye.